Okay, now we are with our system palette is ready, our balances palette is ready, but we are not using it. And for that, we are going to create our runtime, because our main program doesn't do anything. It's just like random stuff. And the runtime will be our main module or our blockchain running for the external world. As we know that blockchains doesn't have any purpose if they can't be called from the outside world to change the state, to transfer tokens, to mint tokens, to create avatars or whatever data we want to store in this blockchain. So let's create our runtime. The runtime will be a struct in our main file. So let's create this struct here. And then this struct, basically, we will implement the initialization of this blockchain. Let's implement it here. We will implement it. So in our case, our blockchain, very simple. It has two structs. One of it is a system, but basically our runtime will be a place where we join together all the models of our blockchain. In our case, we have system and balances, but later you see we will create other modules, and the runtime will include all of them. And this is how Polkadot is built. Polkadot basically is a library of different modules, and you can create any blockchain by joining together all these pieces of software. So basically imagine that it's a Lego, that you have different formats of pieces, and it can build something using these different pieces. So the same way, we have our system that is of the type system palette, and the balances, which is the type of balances palette. So this is basically our struct, and we will create here. We will create the instances of our blockchain. So basically, our runtime is just, let me just remove here because we don't need this code anymore. I have my runtime here, and my main will just create the runtime. Yeah, this is what. Let's see if everything is running. Nothing is breaking here, as you can see. My code is running smoothly, and yeah, we don't need to do anything else. We just have the runtime. It's returning. It's creating instantiation the two palettes that we have, the system and the balances. And in the next lessons, we'll start to use this, like run transactions and see what happens when new transactions are executed, and so on.